In the village of Umudike, where the red earth met the whispering palms, lived a curious boy named Chike. Chike was known for asking questions no one his age dared to ask. While other children played egwu games in the village square, he often sat beside his grandfather, Papa Nanana, listening to stories of the ancestors. One evening, as the sun melted into the horizon, painting the sky in shades of orange and gold, Chike asked, "Grandfather, why do the elders say the palm tree is a gift from the spirits?" Papa Nanana smiled, his wrinkled face folding like old cloth. "Ah, Chike, that is not a simple question. It is a story you must understand, not just hear." He adjusted his stool and began. Long ago, when our people were still learning the ways of the earth, there was a great famine. The yam barns were empty, the streams dried, and hunger walked freely among the people. The villagers prayed to Chukwu, the supreme god, and to the ancestors for help. One night, a widow named Adeze had a dream. In it, a tall spirit stood before her, holding a strange tree. The spirit said, "Plant this, and your people will never lack." When Adeze awoke, she found a small seed in her hand. Though others doubted her, she planted the seed behind her hut. Days passed, and nothing happened. Some mocked her, saying hunger had clouded her mind. But Adeze did not lose faith. Then one morning, a shoot broke through the soil. It grew faster than any plant they had seen. Soon, it became a tall palm tree, its leaves dancing in the wind like spirits rejoicing. From that tree, the villagers discovered many blessings. The fruit gave them oil for cooking. The sap became palm wine for celebration. The leaves were used for roofing, and the trunk for building. Even the kernel inside the fruit had value. The people realized that the gift was not just the tree, but the lesson: patience, faith, and respect for what the earth provides. Papa Nana paused and looked at Chike. "So you see, my son, the palm tree teaches us that nothing given by Chukwu is without purpose. We must learn to use what we have wisely." Chike thought deeply. The next day, instead of joining his friends immediately, he helped his mother gather palm fruits and asked her to teach him how to process them. As he worked, he remembered his grandfather's words. Years later, Chike became known not just for his curiosity, but for his wisdom. He taught others that tradition was not just about stories of the past, but lessons for the future. And in Umudike, whenever the palm trees swayed in the wind, the elders would say, "They are reminding us of Adeze's faith and the secrets that patience reveals."